how to build a lead generation system to generate leads using free tools without any paid tools. Alright, if you are new here, my name is Kamin Choo. I help business owner and entrepreneur build a profitable lead generation system that generates unlimited leads. So if you are new here, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video like this. Let's dive in today's video. Alright, so just last week I met a doctor, right? He's a dentist. What he do is he asked me that, hey, you know what, I want to generate leads, alright, but the thing is I don't want to invest in fancy software. Alright, so this remind me about the past. Alright, when I just getting started, that time I don't have a lot of capital to invest in my business. I also use these free tools to generate leads. Alright, so here's the thing, you don't need to overcomplicate things. If you're investing in good software or tools, what you can do is you can create a good design, you can create more customized lead generation page. Alright, but the thing with this is if you don't have a good message, you don't have a good offer, you cannot basically attract those leads. So with good tools and software, what we can do is we can use to create a very good design. Alright, we can put in images, video and so on. But the thing is, if you don't have a good message, you don't know what your customers want, and you don't have a good lead magnet to attract them, the thing is, even though you have the best software in the world, you have the best design in the world, you're still not going to generate leads. Alright, so most importantly, you need to know who your ideal audience is and you need to give them what they want. Alright, so that's important. So this free tools is called, you're going to be surprised, it's called Google Form. Alright, so yes, you heard me right, it's a Google Form. So you don't need to invest on software, but for me personally, I use ClickFunnels because for me, I already invest in software. But when I just getting started, I just use Google Form to generate leads. Alright, so you can use Google Form to generate leads. Don't need to overcomplicate. You can put a headline there and then you tell them what you do, and you can write the description. So description is where you write what problem do you solve and what are the benefit if they get this checklist, alright, or this cheat sheet or this lead magnet. Alright, so keep everything simple. Another software you can use is called Typeform. Alright, so this Typeform also I personally used it before, but for Typeform free version, they have a very limited features. Alright, that's why I didn't use Typeform anymore. But what I do is I use this right now. I use this ClickFunnels. If you want to claim the 14 days trial of ClickFunnels, you can click the link in the description box below. Alright, to claim your 14 days trial. Alright, so ClickFunnels is a very good software. For me, I highly recommend for all the business owner, entrepreneur and all my students to use it. Alright, so I personally use ClickFunnels to generate a lot of leads. Alright, thousands of leads already. Alright, so if you want, you can use the ClickFunnels. But if you are getting started, you don't want to invest in software, you can use Google Form. Alright, so hope this video is going to help you. If you found this video is helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Let's summary everything. So if you want, you can create a lead generation form using Google Form. Alright, you don't need to overcomplicate things. Remember, you need to know who your ideal audience is. You need to give them what they want as a lead magnet. Alright, so once they want to claim your lead magnet, you can just bring them to a Google Form and then you do everything manually. But if you want to invest in software, you want to automate things, you can use ClickFunnels. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to smash the like button and see you in the next video.